Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 3. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Honorable members, in order to develop healthcare facilities across the country, commensurate expansion in medical education is equally important. Stop. In 2014, there were only 387 medical colleges, but today there are 562 medical colleges in the country. Stop. In the last 6 years, there has been an increase of over 50,000 seats at the undergraduate and postgraduate levels in medical education. Stop. Under the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana, the government has also sanctioned 22 new AIIMS. Stop. The central government has laid the foundation for historic reforms in the field of medical education by establishing the National Medical Commission along with 4 autonomous boards. Stop. The decades-old Medical Council of India has been replaced with the National Medical Commission as a part of these reforms. Stop. Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan is not just confined to manufacturing in India but is also a campaign aimed at elevating the standard of living of every Indian as well as boosting the self-confidence of the country. Stop. Our goal of an Atmanirbhar Bharat will be further strengthened by self-reliance in agriculture. Stop. With this idea, the government has over the last 6 years attempted to bring positive transformation in the seed to market system so that Indian agriculture is modernized and also sees growth. Stop. In pursuance of these efforts, my government decided to implement the recommendations of the Swaminathan Committee report and increased the MSP to at least 1.5 times of the cost of production. Stop. Today, my government is not only purchasing record quantities at the MSP but is also increasing the number of procurement centers. Stop. Widespread improvements are being brought in various sources of irrigation. Stop. Following the mantra of per drop more crop, the government is not only completing the pending irrigation projects but is also delivering modern irrigation techniques to the farmers. Stop. In 2013-14, only 42 lakh hectares of land was under micro irrigation, whereas today more than 56 lakh hectares of land has been brought under micro irrigation. Stop. I am happy to say that through their hard work, our farmers are augmenting the efforts of the government. Stop. Today, the food grain availability in the country is at a record high. Stop. From 234 million tons food grain production in 2008-9, it increased to 296 million. Stop.